We're on a mission to teach the world how to fix everything, but the most common question that we get from people is, will fixing it myself void my warranty? Thanks to the shady sticker work of manufacturers, we've been brainwashed into thinking that opening a device voids the warranty. But last month, Motherboard discovered that the FTC sent warning letters to Sony, Microsoft, Nintendo, Hyundai, HTC, and Asus. The letters warn manufacturers that warranty stickers that they've been using have been illegal for some time, and they set a May 9th deadline for them to comply with requirements. The bottom line, these stickers are illegal, and nothing works better than a public shaming to keep manufacturers honest. So we're teaming up with Motherboard and embarking on a good old-fashioned sticker hunting contest. The contest rules are simple. Post a photo of a warranty void if removed sticker on Twitter or Instagram using the hashtag #VoidIfRemoved. And don't forget to tell us what device you found it in. We're gathering up all the photos and manufacturer info and sending it back to the FTC. And if sticking it to the man wasn't incentive enough, we'll be giving away our brand new Manta Driver kits to our favorite entries through the end of June. Enter as many times as you want. We'll contact each winner on the platform that they use to enter. For more details on the issue and the contest, visit our blog at the link in the description below. Happy unstickering!